you for buying this 21940-73 ornament from Fixture Displays. This is a piece of art, and here are the dimensions. Is welded on the very top and has a spacer welded in between two layers to give you a little more three-dimensional view. This is an excellent small decorative piece that reminds you of your loved pet. You can put it on your tabletop, nightstand, or mantle, or bookcase. It's a lovely piece of art, and hopefully you enjoy this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. The material is carbon steel. The surface is powder coated black. If you have any questions, email us. CS is charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. In this series, if you type in 21940, there is a large collection of different animals, pets, etc. Thank you.